Alright, let's be brutally honest. Is your website making you money or is it murdering your sales? You might think it looks great. You might have even bragged about it when you launched it. Oh yeah, we just got a brand new website. Check it out. But here's the plot twist. Most websites aren't selling. They're basically just expensive online business cards. Now stick with me because in the next few minutes I'm going to show you 5 ways that your website could be bleeding sales and how you can start plugging those holes. Hey, I'm Brad Ball, founder of Liquis Digital. Since 2008, I have been building and fixing websites for 6 to 7 figure businesses. I've seen the gorgeous award-winning websites that don't bring in any leads, and I've seen some that are uglier than my old MySpace profile, yet they make money hand over fist. So let's make sure that yours is on the money-making side. All right, now here are the 5 ways that your website could be tripping you up. Number 1 is no clear call to action. If people land on your site and their first thought is, okay, cool, now what? They're gone. Attention spans are shorter than goldfish on TikTok. Okay, here's the fix. 1 call to action per page. Make it obvious. Repeat it. Beat them over the head with it nicely. All right, number 2 is your website talks about you and not them. If the first line on your website is, we've been in business since 2009, cool. Nobody is going to throw you an anniversary party. When they first get to your site, they don't care about your birthday. They care about, can you fix the problem? The fix is flip the script, make it about them. An example, we help homeowners get rid of a specific problem. Now, I will say, having the we've been in business since 2009 verbiage is actually good to have on your homepage, but keep in mind that is just to build credibility. It may be served better down lower on the page after they know they're in the right spot. And actually, if you want to see the biggest sales killer mistakes in action, I did a whole video on it. I'll link it here or in the description so you can check it out later. Now, number 3 is too many choices. Your navigation menu is not the Cheesecake Factory menu. People don't need 47 options. They need one next step. The fix is to keep your navigation to 4 to 5 items. Simplify it, unless you want people scrolling through your navigation like they're choosing a Netflix show for 45 minutes. Number 4 is having a slow and clunky website experience on mobile. Here's the deal, half your traffic is mobile. If your site takes longer than 3 seconds to load, I promise you they are already bounced to your competitor's site. Nobody has patience anymore. The fix is to run your site through a page speed checker and start fixing the problems. And I can guarantee you most of the problems that you will find on your website are large images. So you just need to resize those down to be smaller in file size so they load faster. Number 5 is no trust signals, no testimonials, no logos, no reviews, no proof. It's like just saying trust me, but just asking people to trust you doesn't work online. You have to show them. Now, this is where it makes sense to add the doing business since 2009 type of verbiage, along with these testimonials. Add star ratings, add case studies, even add recognizable brands that you've worked with or that you're associated to. You just need to show people that you are legit and that you get results for other clients. Okay, now here is the real kicker. The real cost of your website isn't what you paid for it. It's the sales that you are losing every single day. Every bounce, that's a customer gone. Every unclear button, a wasted opportunity. Every second of loading time is money slipping through your fingers like sands through the hourglass. And if you're running ads, it's even worse. It's like you're paying people to leave. It's like paying for dinner for someone who leaves halfway through the appetizers. So what does a site that actually sells look like? I call it the Liquid Site That Sells Framework TM. Number 1 is to have 1 offer per page. Your site is not a yard sale. Number 2 is having client-focused messaging. And you want to make them the hero, you're just the guide. Think Yoda, not Luke Skywalker. And number 3 is having strategic call to actions. Don't just slap contact us everywhere. That's boring. Instead, use call to actions like get my free quote, see pricing. Number 4 is to put social proof everywhere. Reviews, case studies, logos, sprinkle them like salt. Not too much, not too little, just enough to flavor the dish. And I always recommend putting your testimonials and social proof around or near your call to actions. And number 5 is the loading speed and being mobile first. Your site should load fast, clean, and smooth. No one is going to be impressed by these fancy animations that crash their phones. So here's a quick self-check audit. Ask yourself, can I tell what this business does in 5 seconds? Is there one obvious next step? Are we solving their problem? Or just talking about ourselves like a bad first date? And do we show proof that people actually trust us? If you said no to any of these, congrats, your site is leaking sales like a busted faucet. Now that you know how to spot if your website is leaking sales, the next step is fix it. So watch this video here, 5 ways to instantly boost your website conversions. It's packed with wins that you can do today. Seriously, it's like duct tape for your leaky website. Click on it now, I'll see you over there.